Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert column on your table in your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add more columns on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, just going to show. So first we are just going to insert a 4 rows with the 4 columns. Okay, so I'm just going to create a table here. Okay, now I just created a table with the 4 rows and 4 columns here. So now I just need more column like up to 10 or like that. So just click on the cell first and right click on the mouse. You will see an option called insert, and here you can see table column to left or table column to right. So click this, you can see insert a column on the left side. The same process can be repeated. For an example, here I just add as some numbers. So I just want to insert a table column to the left. You click this, you can see it's inserted. Otherwise, if you just want to extend it, you can just click on this and drag it like this, and you can just resize and you can create a column like this. You can see now it's created as 16 columns. So this is how you just insert more columns on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.